So hey everyone, so today I'm going in this video I'm going to show you some of my art materials. So let's get started. So first let's start with the color pencil. So this is the most cheapest color pencil I have. It is of Joy of Creation, and I advise you not to buy this because it's not of good quality. It's good and it's good for children. It's safe for children and it's good for children. So but if you are not a beginner, if you are not a child, then I advise you not to use this. Second one is this of Camel brand. It is premium brand. So actually I'm making video with one hand, so I cannot open this. So I have to open this and show to you and show it to you. So I have to pause the video. So wait. So you can see it's a premium brand and it's very good quality, and I think it's the best in my opinions. And the cost of it, it is of rupees 115. So it's very good. So now the next colored pencil is this one. It's Camel brand colored pencil. Actually I'm really sorry because I cannot remove this. And okay, let's try. Oh, I have stuck it. So sorry, I cannot show you this. Okay, so now, so this is also very good brand, so you can buy this. I always use this. Okay, so now these are another two is of domes. I got it for rupees 100. You can see 100 rupees here, you can see. No, and so let me open this. It's very good and you can use it. So you can see I've used this many times and it's very good. It's proved very good to me, so you can use this also. So now next colored pencil is, oof, what's the problem? So the next color pencil is Domes color pencil, and it is also very good, so you can use this also. I got it for rupees 100. I mean it's 24 shades. Yes, it's 24 shades and it's for rupees 100, and it is only 12 shades, but still 100 rupees because of steel this, you know, cover container. So and is of paper container, so you can use this also. So now next color pencil, and next color pencil is the most famous one, the Faber-Castell. It is also very good, and I think the best of all is this Faber-Castell. The cost of this is what's the cost of this? 105 rupees. So you can see here 105 rupees, and it's very good. So you should try this. You should try it once at least. Now next one is this fun. It is also good, not that much good, but it's not bad. You can use this and it is also very good. So now let's move to watercolors. So you can see the two watercolors here. First of all, the watercolor tubes. You can see I'm going to show you watercolor tubes. You can see as I'm making video from one hand, so I have to like this. Just wait. So you can see this watercolor tubes, and now the another one is okay, wait, cost. The cost of this is 160 rupees. Okay, so it's also very good. I have used it several times and proved very good results on to me. You can visit my channel and see many of my paintings made by these watercolors. I have usually make paintings by watercolor, so you can visit my channel and see. So now the next watercolor which you always use after this, after watercolor tubes, the most used one is this watercolor cakes. It is a very cheap one. It should be 70 and it's very good, so you can use this also. Okay, so let me keep it. Next watercolor is this, and again this one. So it's also the same one, the same thing, very good, and it's also same thing, and I think I got it for rupees 35, and it's very good, so you can use them. Okay, so now talking, and these are all about all my watercolors and color pencil. Now just move to my pencils. So you can see I use three types of pencils, two types of pencils, and these are very good. So this first of all, Camel quality drawing company is Camel का है it's Camlin is made to 10B, 8B, and all, everything is Yes, so it's very very good. And second one is this Faber-Castell, and the third one is again this Faber-Castell. So it is also very very good. And one more I have, इसमें आई डोंट हैव 10B, इसमें ये वाले में 10B था, इसमें 10B नहीं है. So it is also very good, and that's the reason I have to buy this one. Okay, because it don't have. And I have another 10B pencil because it is used to darken and is very very good for use. Okay, so I have two black pens also, and not two, I have many, but here I have kept only two. So you have to keep for making the outlines. So now talking about my um, this brushes. So I have a huge collection of brushes, all brands, and white marking pencil, glass marking pencil, sorry, white pencil it is. So I have this type of color pencil brushes, paint brushes, sorry. So okay, uh, some of the things which I have forget to told you tell you that I have two to three more or color pencils. छोटा मोटा ऐसे ही जब when I was a kid I used to, not a kid, when I do some, जैसे कि छोटा मोटा जो वर्क होता है, जैसे कि जो हल्का फुल्का जो बच्चे वाला काम होता है, तो मैं ये इन्हीं चीज़ों को यूज़ करता हूँ. सो आई यूजुअली यूज़ दिस. सो यू कैन यूज़ दिस ऑल्सो. 30. Okay, so I'm not going to clean it now with. Okay, so this is also very good. And this Natraj one. And I have one two more. Wait, where I have kept, I have to first of find it. So यहीं कहीं होगा. So those are also very good. So you can, वो एक्चुअली बता देते हैं, वो कैमल कंपनी का है, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा है. इसके पीछे है क्या? No. Okay, so these are all also very good. So now talking about the pastels, which I have, what pastels I have. So first of all, okay, but this is first of all glue gun. You तो आप तो जानते ही होंगे. Actually मैंने साफ नहीं किया है. So this is oil pastel. I got it for rupees 200. Is also very good, very good. I usually use this as pastel, and it is soft pastel. These are the erasers. Okay, the soft pastel is also very good. More, it is soft pastel is more good than oil pastel, so you should buy this, and it's for rupees 160. Okay, so next is Dome's oil pastel, 25 shades. I got it for rupees 80. 100. Wait, 100 rupees, sorry, ये तो 100 rupees का है. And another I have one more oil pastel. So this is my student box. So all the colorful pens I have kept it. I have the collection of all, of actually, yes, please forget me because I'm making video with one hand. So this is also color. Okay, okay. So I have the so these are wax crayons which I usually have. These are the stapler pens. This is the Rangoli color, white glue. Okay, now talking about the painting colors, what painting colors apart from watercolors I have. So I have this acrylic painting colors. I have the smaller packet also, and the smaller packet also, because but that has been exhausted. So I have this right now. I have this also as poster color. I have the bigger one also, which is not here. Actually I have gifted someone, so just don't mind. Okay, and these are some tempera colors. ये 10-20 रुपये वाले मिलता है. So don't buy this. वैसे ये सब भी अच्छे हैं. If you are a beginner, then this is also very good. You can go for this with this. Okay, so now talking about the mechanical pencil. I have the three types of mechanical pencils of 0.7 का ही ना, or 0.5. This is 0.5. This is 0. This is a 2.0, and this is 0.7. This is correction with a marker, white marker. So I have the sketch pens also. So these are the sketch pens, बहुत सारे हैं इधर, and sketch pens you can see. So these are the sketch pens which I have. And now let's see some of the clay. I have some craft work के लिए भी बहुत सारे बस clay वाले हैं. तो ये फैब्रिक शिल्पकार clay है. Here also much, बहुत सारे हैं. और इधर भी इधर भी आप कैसे दिखाएं आपको, इधर भी है बहुत सारे ऐसे. ये इंक है, और ये सब देखिए, these some of clay. So is painting palette. Okay, this is टिश्यू पेपर एंड दिस इज माई क्राफ्ट बॉक्स. इसमें बहुत सारे टिश्यू पेपर एंड ऑल बहुत कुछ हैं. तो इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू सी दिस देन आई विल शो यू इन अनदर वीडियो. तो बस इतना ही है आप. और ये वन मोर थिंग जो छूट गया, ये इरेजर्स तो देख लिया आपने. ये है एक नियॉन का फेविक्रिल का नियॉन पेन है. एंड वन मोर थिंग विच आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू, these are the glass colors which I have. Glass colors जो ग्लास पे पेंटिंग होता है. इफ़ यू वांट वीडियो ऑन दिस देन आई कैन मेक वीडियो ऑन दिस ऑल्सो. रंगोली कलर्स हो गया. आई थिंक आई हैव रंगीला. पेस्टल्स में एक और चीज़ हो गया रंगीला. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. पहले मिलता था हमारे स्कूल में, ये बहुत मिला करता था, बट नाउ इट हैज़ आई थिंक वैनिश्ड. कहीं कहीं अभी भी मिलता है. सो यू कैन गो फॉर दिस. इज़ वेरी वेरी गुड. आई थिंक आई लाइक इट मोर देन डोम्स ऑयल पेस्टल. So these are very good, and I got for ₹70. The cost of this is ₹70. So these are all painting materials. So thank you. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.